So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shak My Love. So if you're new here, don't miss this beautiful space by joining the family. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So today, I'm going to be showing you around. I'm going to do a house tour, of course my living room tour, and I hope you love it because I'm so obsessed, like literally obsessed. So I hope you'll enjoy it, and please, before we go into this, kindly give me a thumbs up. Right now I'm going to start with the entry. This is my entryway, and this is how the door looks like. Now this door, there is no curtain because when someone is outside, they can't see me, like they can literally see nothing. But when I'm inside, I can see someone outside, so it is really nice. So it doesn't need a curtain or shears or anything like that, and it is really nice, really nice. So as you enter, this is the door, and on my right it has an open kitchen. And guys, first of all, look at an overview before I go into the details. This is how it looks like. Everything is put together, like everything is really clean. And you know, I'm a white person. I love white. Most of you always ask me why I love white, why everything is white. Like, I just love it because I love tracking my house, like how clean it is. Like, I just love it when it's white and organized. So when we come close, we have a cooker. It has four plates, and it has an oven here. Very clean, very neat. So you can actually bake, you can do everything, you can grill. Yeah, this is my cooker here. So this is the cooker, and of course if you want to cook, you come and cook. Okay, so here we have the cabins. Up here we have the cabins. They are all white. I know they are all white, and they are very clean. This is what we have. There's no, like, it doesn't have a lot of things. They don't have a lot of things inside, but I think you can see how neat they are. So that is an overview of them. So when you come down here, next to my cooker, we have this counter. On the counter, first thing we have is this oven, and yeah, of course I love snacks, I love fast foods so much, so this is an added advantage, a cooker. So we have these table mats. Guys, let me show you the African traits in me. Like, I would literally pay any amount of money for these. Like, how cute are they? They are cute, right? Very cute. You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. So they are cute. I have this basket here, mini basket, and it has, oh, I have this. They are like this, and I think they are like 8 here, and it looks good. Like, it really looks good. This is like good decoration. I have such things and such style, you know. So yeah, that is what we have. So you can use this on your table, in your bedroom. If you're taking tea, you can literally use this and put your cup here. So I have this matchbox here, but we have this kettle, a transparent one. So guys, I think I love this because you can literally see everything that is inside, and it looks nice. Of course it looks nice. So I have this rack here, and I have a tray, a black tray here. Now here it is black and white. That is the theme. I have this tray, I have a chopping board and other things. So that is how it looks like. So I have this sink. It is small, minimal of course, but it is enough. It is enough. I love the fact that it has this sieve. So yeah, that is it. So that is how the sink looks like. So next to the sink we have a fridge, a mini fridge. This is how it looks like. Now it is really fine and okay for someone, like for 1 or 2 people, even 3 people. It is very, I think it is very fine. Yeah, so there's nothing there, but that is how it is. So yeah, that is an overview. So down here we have this rug, this mat, and yeah, it is a rug, of course. That's how we call it. It is a rug, and yeah, it is really comfortable because tiles can tend to be cold. So when you're cooking, at least you're comfortable, even if you don't put on like house sandals. So it is really nice. I have a bin here, so yeah, of course, to keep the kitchen and the house clean, we have to be with the bin. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just so on the left we do have this place, and this is the sitting room, the sitting area. And guys, let me first show you this. Like, hey, the colors, the combination of colors and everything. So let me go through them. So first we do have this couch, and it is a green couch. It is woolen. Actually, the fabric is woolen. We have the comforter here. It is white. Of course, you know me with white. We are friends, like best friends. We have these cushions. We have a blend of gray, light gray. We have white, and we have orange, and of which I think it really makes a room and a place look classy, because like this is burnt orange, and I think most people don't know about this color, but burnt orange is the new black. It is the new black. So we have this couch. It can actually accommodate like I think 6 people. It is really big. The camera is not doing justice to this. So behind it, before that, we have the cushions, and they look nice. They are really nice, you guys. I'm not exaggerating. Like, you can see the quality, it can speak for itself. And we have this, the plain one. We also have this in white, yeah, with some kind of drama going on, but very comfortable. Okay, so we have this comforter here, the throw on. It is in burnt orange, and I feel like it really brings out this space to be very, very classy, minimalistic. Like, there's not much going on here, but everything is classy. Now behind here we have a console table, which adds more like beauty and value on the place behind this couch, because imagine if it wasn't there. Okay, and then this mirror, of course, it is a go-to-go mirror. Everyone needs to have such a mirror, like a mirror in a sitting room. Like, it has this mirror. It is minimal, and I think it adds, like, it really adds value, and it makes actually the room and the space look more bigger, because it reflects everything that is in here. So on the console table, this is how it looks like. We went with wood, yeah, and it is just minimal. We have this going on here, and I think I love this. I love it so much. Like, such things. I'm not a person of portrait, but such things make a difference. Of course, once in a while you can go for that. So we have the pampers. Yeah, I know it's hard to get them in, but of course, if you can access them, you can use them to decorate your house. They make really a good statement, and that is how the place looks like. Now up here we have these lights, and I feel like they are really nice. There is not much going on, but yeah, they are making a statement, a real statement. So guys, tell me about that. Like, what do you think about that station? Now behind here, when I come here, we have that chair, that couch, a single one. I'm sorry, my bag is there, but yeah, we can go with that, and it really looks nice. Now I think you can see the reasons why we went with burnt orange, like to accessorize the table, like the seat and the room, because we have this and it can speak for itself, right? It is really nice. I know it is nice. I love it. It is comfortable. It is soft, actually, guys. And here we have the rug or the carpet, you can call it whatever you call it, and it is black and white. And now this really made the room look simple, look cozy, and look like, you know, when you can, like, sometimes you can have a rug and then you even get scared of using it or stepping on it because you feel like it's going to get dirty. No, that is not happening here. So here we have this table, which actually it is accessorized like as the same as the console table, and I think it is very fine. It is a simple one, a minimal one, and it is small, but of course it makes the place look fantastic. Now here we have another rug, a small rug that matches or blends in with the house, with the couch, with the cushions and everything. Now when we come this side, we have the entertainment session, of which we are going to start with the plants, and this is how the plant looks like, and it's really nice. We have that basket. It's not in the pot, it is in the basket, and you know the theme here, okay? It is African, it is classy, it is aesthetic, and all that. So we have a simple TV, we have Wi-Fi and everything. We have a plant on it, or plant, like not much is going on here, and I think being like, I think less is more, and I think I love it. Tell me what you think about that, guys. Now I know you guys were here, but this is art. So in the corner, in the right corner of the entertainment section, we have this with some kind of art. Now look at that, and this is a light. Actually at night I'll put it on and you see how it elevates the place. Like, it is nice, very, very nice. Now when you come here, of course, you know I'm a content creator, and to me light is everything, especially natural light. Now everyone wants a place with natural light, and I love the fact that we have this. And now these are shears. I think shears are trending now. Actually, if you're planning of buying curtains, I would advise you to go with shears, because why not? Like, curtains are ziliva kumulembe. So yeah, we have these shears. They are white, and yeah, that is how they look like. And the good thing about shears, now this window is good, but when it comes to filming, especially, let me give you an example. If I'm doing a sit down here, of course I can just open my windows, and then the white light reflects everything, and it stabilizes the light that is coming through the window into the house. So that is how it looks like, and that is how big the windows are, guys. It is really big. I think you can see that. Okay, guys, that is how the sitting room looks like, and to be honest, I'm in love with it, and you're going to be in love with the bedroom and the bathroom. So
You whip up my appetite. Don't
Now this is the door that leads to the bedroom, and let's see what we have here.